Good morning. This morning's job will be to install steering damper onto the 500. What we have is the MSC Moto, it's called the down under mount. It goes beneath the bars. So this morning we will be installing first the post mount to the frame. You've got to take the triple clamp off for that. And then follow up with the mount for the unit. Yeah, we'll see how we go. The whole thing comes together with the highway dirt bike's top mount as well. So let's get into it. So this basically acts as the risers as well, which I like. So it's kind of all inbuilt. Now with this one, normally you would put the old top caps back on. I won't be doing that because I'm using the highway dirt bikes integrated sort of handguard mounts and top cap, so I'll be using that. So yeah, that's how it's going to look. So thanks for watching, see you in the next one. For the eagle-eyed, I did forget to put this top cap on, so I've taken it all apart and I'm putting it on, just so you can see.